Today we're going to look at a new style by Belle Tress. This is Jasmine Jazz in chrome. This style was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link labeled Belle Tress Jasmine Jazz. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the website where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Don't forget, Belle Tress is an automatic 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio One. And join us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It's a short, wavy, kind of a wedge style bob with lots of volume and some amazing upgraded cap features. But let's first tackle this color. I do want to cover this real quick. This is called chrome, and chrome is a combination of some gray and white on a dark brown root. So what you're going to see is more of a medium gray with a lighter, kind of a warmer gray mixed in, and then it's all highlighted and tipped with white. Now that white kind of has a graduated look to it, so you're going to see the highlights eventually kind of culminate into some solid white tips, all on a dark brown root. And they do run the highlight right up to the lace front. This cap features a temple to temple lace front and a center extended monofilament part with a really wide parting space. I think you're really going to enjoy these monofilament features. But first, let's get up close from the outside of the cap, and then we'll take a look at the inside of the cap a little later on. So you see here, it does run temple to temple. All of the seams are obscured nicely. And then I left it in its center part. I just basically shook it out and kind of deconstructed that weave pattern there. But that runs all the way back to here. It's very smooth until you get about halfway down, and then you're going to start to see some of these curls. The curls are big barrely curls, especially in the front. But they have been deconstructed and tapered on the ends. You're going to see about 10 inches right off at the front. And again, this is in its curl pattern. I'm about 6.5 from hairline to chin. So this strikes me just below the chin in its curl pattern. It's about 10 inches overall with a little bit over a 2-inch nape. But this crown piece kind of overlaps the nape in the back. Feel like I get really nice coverage all the way around. And if you wanted to add a little bit of a shorter fringe to this piece, I definitely think you could. These curls feature a nice bouncy volume. I love how Belle Tress can achieve a lush, voluminous look without adding a lot of permatease. You're not going to find an abundance of permatease on this, just enough to cover wefting. And I am honestly struggling to feel any permatease at all. That tells me that it's absent of some of that thick, pillowy permatease. This is made from the heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress in their Cafe collection, so you can take some heat to it. Now, all I did... Inside, look at the cap for Jasmine Jazz by Belle Tress. There's your extended lace front. Runs temple to temple and beyond, back into the ear tab. It's nicely contoured, and that moves into a center monofilament part. And you'll see that there's a really nice wide parting space as well as a deep lace front. This is going to give you multiple parting options. And then you have the velvet ear tabs, and just a standard nape with the typical pull strap type adjusters, lots of wefting. There's a lot of stretch in this style, a lot of stretch. This typically fits me large. I have to make an exaggerated adjustment for it to fit my petite average circumference.